Ever wondered how to make a healthy dinner in just 30 minutes? Welcome to the world of quick and nutritious cooking. Today, we're whipping up 3 simple yet scrumptious dinner recipes that are not only easy on the clock, but also easy on the waistline. Because, let's face it, who has the time to slave over the stove after a long day? But that doesn't mean you have to compromise on taste or health. Are you ready to start cooking? Let's dive into our first recipe. Our first recipe is a delightful grilled chicken with quinoa salad. Let's dive right into it. Start by marinating your chicken breasts. You'll want to use a mix of olive oil, lemon juice, minced garlic, dried oregano, salt, and pepper. This combination brings out a tangy, zesty flavor that complements the chicken wonderfully. Let that sit for about 15 minutes while you prepare the quinoa. Quinoa, a pseudo-cereal, is one of the world's most popular health foods. It is gluten-free, high in protein, and contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's also high in fiber, magnesium, B vitamins, iron, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, vitamin E, and various beneficial antioxidants. To cook it, simply rinse 1 cup of quinoa under cold water and then bring it to a boil with 2 cups of water or broth. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat and let it simmer until it's fluffy, which should take around 15 minutes. While the quinoa is cooking, you can grill your chicken. Cook each side for about 6 to 7 minutes on a preheated grill. You're aiming for a golden brown sear and a juicy inside. Chicken is a great source of lean protein, essential for muscle growth and repair. It's also packed with vitamins and minerals like B6, niacin, and selenium. Now, let's assemble the salad. In a large bowl, combine your cooked quinoa, chopped tomatoes, cucumber, fresh parsley, and crumbled feta cheese. Toss it all together with your choice of dressing. A simple lemon vinaigrette works wonders here. Lastly, slice your grilled chicken and lay it on top of your quinoa salad. The combination of flavors, from the tangy marinated chicken to the fresh and vibrant quinoa salad, will leave your taste buds dancing. And there you have it, a protein-packed dinner ready in just 30 minutes. This meal is not only quick and easy, also packed with nutrients that will fuel your body, and keep you feeling satisfied. So the next time you're wondering what to cook for dinner, remember this grilled chicken with quinoa salad. It's sure to be a hit. Our next recipe is a colorful stir-fry tofu with vegetables. Let's dive right in. First, prep your tofu by pressing it to remove excess water. This will help it brown nicely when we stir-fry it later. While that's happening, gather a rainbow of your favorite vegetables. We're going for bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots today, but feel free to mix and match based on your preference or what's in season. Now heat a splash of oil in a large pan or wok over medium-high heat. Add your tofu, searing it until golden on all sides. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Once it's done, remove it from the pan and set it aside. In the same pan, add a bit more oil if needed, then toss in your vegetables. Stir-fry them for a few minutes until they're just tender but still have a bit of crunch. You want to maintain their vibrant colors and nutrients. Now, let's talk about tofu. This humble soy product is an excellent source of plant-based protein, making it a great choice for vegetarians, vegans, or anyone looking to cut down on meat. Plus, it's low in calories but high in calcium and iron. As for the vegetables, they're not just there for color. They're packed with various vitamins and minerals that your body needs. For example, bell peppers are rich in vitamin C, broccoli is a good source of vitamin K and fiber, and carrots are loaded with vitamin A. Once your vegetables are cooked to your liking, add the tofu back into the pan. Drizzle in some soy sauce or tamari for that savory umami flavor, and give everything a good toss to combine. Let it all cook together for a few more minutes so the flavors can meld, and voila! Your stir-fry tofu with vegetables is ready to serve. Pair this dish with some brown rice or quinoa for a complete meal that's balanced in protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates. It's a feast for the eyes and the body, proving that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or time-consuming. Isn't it amazing how you can create such a nutrient-rich meal in just half an hour? Our final recipe for today is a hearty baked salmon with sweet potatoes. Let's dive straight into preparing this vibrant and nutritious dish. We'll start off by preheating the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is warming up, let's get our salmon ready. Take a fresh salmon fillet and season it with a pinch of salt, black pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. Set it aside to let the flavors infuse. Moving on to our sweet potatoes. Peel and dice 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes into 1-inch cubes. toss them in a bowl with a drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of salt, and your choice of herbs. I'm using rosemary here, but thyme or oregano would work just as well. Now, let's arrange the salmon and sweet potatoes on a baking sheet, ensuring they're spaced out evenly. Slide the sheet into the preheated oven and bake for about 20 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through and the sweet potatoes are tender. While our main ingredients are baking, let's use this time to whip up a simple dressing. Blend together a tablespoon of honey, the juice of half a lemon, a dash of soy sauce, and a sprinkle of chili flakes. This dressing will add a sweet and tangy kick to our dish. Once everything is cooked, drizzle the dressing over the salmon and sweet potatoes. Garnish with freshly chopped parsley, and there you have it. A nutritious, balanced meal that's ready in 30 minutes. Before we wrap up, let's talk about why this dish is a nutritional powerhouse. Salmon is of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to support heart health. Sweet potatoes, on the other hand, are high in fiber and loaded with vitamins like A and C. They're also a good source of potassium and magnesium. So not only is this meal quick and easy to prepare, but it's also packed with nutrients that support overall health. And voila, another tasty and healthy dinner served in no time. Now that we've cooked up these 3 fantastic meals, let's talk about their health benefits in more detail. First up, grilled chicken. Chicken is an excellent source of lean protein, essential for muscle growth and repair. It's also packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin B6, which is crucial for brain health, and vitamin B3, beneficial for managing cholesterol levels. Coupled with quinoa, a supergrain rich in fiber and all 9 essential amino acids, this meal delivers a powerful punch of nutrients. Next, we have tofu stir-fry with vegetables. Tofu, a plant-based protein, is known for its heart-healthy properties and can be a great addition to your diet if you're looking to reduce your meat intake. The veggies in this stir-fry, like bell peppers and broccoli, are loaded with antioxidants and fiber, promoting good digestion and helping to ward off chronic diseases. Our final recipe, baked salmon with sweet potatoes, is a star player in terms of nutrition. Salmon is a fatty fish loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, known for their heart-protective properties. It's also a good source of vitamin D, which is important for bone health. Sweet potatoes, on the other hand, are a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, which supports eye health, and vitamin C, which boosts the immune system. All these meals, prepared in just 30 minutes, can contribute significantly to a balanced diet. They provide a blend of proteins, healthy fats, and carbohydrates, along with a spectrum of vitamins and minerals. Regularly incorporating such meals into your routine can help maintain a healthy weight, boost your immune system, and improve your overall well-being. And let's not forget the importance of variety in a healthy diet. These recipes offer different flavors and textures, making healthy eating enjoyable and satisfying. Eating healthy doesn't have to be time-consuming or boring, as these recipes clearly show. So, the next time you're in a rush and need to whip up something quick, remember these nutritious and delicious 30-minute dinners. We hope these recipes inspire you to create your own quick, healthy dinners. Remember, the kitchen is a playground, and these recipes are just the tip of the iceberg. There are countless ingredients out there waiting to be discovered and used in your culinary adventures. Be bold, be creative, and don't be afraid to experiment. Perhaps you might want to try swapping out the quinoa in our first recipe with bulgur wheat or barley. Or maybe you'd like to add some mushrooms or bell peppers to the stir-fry. The baked salmon could be paired with a side of roasted Brussels sprouts or asparagus. The possibilities are truly endless. But cooking isn't just about taste and creativity, it's also about nutrition. Each ingredient you choose to incorporate into your meals contributes to your overall health and well-being. So keep that in mind as you explore the world of ingredients. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Choose lean proteins, healthy fats, and a variety of fruits and vegetables. But most importantly, remember that healthy cooking doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. As we've shown you today, you can create a nutritious, well-balanced meal in just 30 minutes. So don't let a busy schedule deter you from eating healthily. Remember, healthy cooking can be quick, easy, and delicious. Until next time, happy cooking! Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe buttons, and also click on the notification bell to be the first to know when I drop a new video. If you find value in my videos, you can show your support through PayPal or Cash App. The links are in the descriptions. See you next time.